Hi Nana. We were learning about the nitric acid. We have seen the laboratory preparation of nitric acid. Now we will learn about the properties of nitric acid. Okay, the properties generally properties can be classified into two types. One is physical properties and another one is chemical properties. Physical properties and chemical properties. What are physical properties? Okay, the properties which we can feel, like smell or taste, or else which we can see, which we can see with our naked eye. So all these comes under physical properties. Boiling point, melting point, density, and all these properties, they come under physical properties. What are chemical properties? Chemical properties are nothing but the property, or they are nothing but the chemical reactions which this particular substance undergoes. Okay, so they come under chemical properties. So first of all, we will learn about the physical properties. If you see the physical properties, the first physical property is color. Okay. If you see the color, this nitric acid, exists in two forms. One is in pure form. In pure form. Pure form means 98% concentrated. Okay, the concentration of pure nitric acid is 98% concentrated. Okay, it is colorless. Okay, pure form is colorless. It is a colorless liquid. Okay, and this pure form, hence as it is colorless liquid, it is called as commonly known as fuming nitric acid. Fuming nitric acid. Okay, so the pure form of nitric acid is called as fuming nitric acid. Okay, next, another form of nitric acid is commercial nitric acid. Okay, commercial form, and it is only 68%. Okay, so 68% nitric acid is called as 68% concentrated nitric acid is called as commercial nitric acid. Okay, so if you see the color of this commercial nitric acid, it is yellowish brown color. It is yellowish brown in color. Okay, why it is yellowish brown color? Due to dissolution of Okay, due to dissolution of NO2, nitrogen dioxide gas in it. Okay, due to dissolution of nitrogen dioxide gas in it, the commercial nitric acid, it appears to be yellowish brown in color. Okay, so pure form is, it's a colorless liquid, whereas the commercial form is yellowish brown in color. Next property is smell. Smell means odor. Okay, the odor of nitric acid, it is suffocating odor. What is the meaning of suffocating? Suffocating means unable to breathe. If in the nitric acid environment, or else in the nitric acid atmosphere, a person cannot breathe properly. He feels breathlessness. Okay, such a property is said to be suffocating property. Okay, so unable to sense the smell. Okay, because he is unable to breathe. Right. Another property is taste. See, as it is an acid, generally acids are sour to taste and bases are bitter to taste. So this is an acid. Nitric acid is an acid. Hence the taste of this HNO3 it is sour in taste. It is sour in taste. Pullaga ఉంటుంది. Okay. Pulpu. Next, the fourth physical property is density. The fourth physical property is density. Again, if you speak density, even in the form of density also can be, it is of two types. I mean, pure nitric acid has more density than commercial nitric acid. So if it is pure nitric acid, that means pure nitric acid means what? It is 98% concentrated nitric acid. Okay, so it is denser. It is denser. Denser means its density is 1.5 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, pure nitric acid is more denser than the commercial nitric acid. Okay, the density of commercial nitric acid. Generally, commercial nitric acid is what is the percentage of commercial nitric acid? It is 68%. Already we have seen. Okay, the 68% concentrated nitric acid is called as commercial nitric acid, and its density is less. It is somewhat less than when compared to pure nitric acid. So its density is 1.42 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. It is somewhat less denser than the pure nitric acid. Okay, so this is about the density. The next physical property is solubility. Generally, acids are soluble. So nitric acid is highly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in water. Generally, all acids are soluble in water, and nitric acid is highly soluble in water. Okay, so many acids are highly soluble. Amongst them, nitric acid is one of the highly soluble acid. Next, if you speak about the boiling point, boiling point. See the boiling point of pure nitric acid. The boiling point of pure nitric acid is equal to 86 degrees centigrade. It is 86 degrees centigrade. What is the boiling point of water? Boiling point of water is how much? Already we know that it is 100 degrees centigrade. But if we mix pure nitric acid and water, okay, if we mix both pure nitric acid and water, what happens? They form a constant boiling mixture. If you mix the water, pure water, water and this pure nitric acid, okay, so they form, both of them will form a constant boiling mixture. They form a constant boiling mixture, okay, and their boiling point, they form a constant boiling mixture, and they both of them, if that mixture will boil at okay, it will boil at 121 degrees centigrade. So this is important. So that means pure nitric acid and water, they form constant boiling mixture at what temperature? They form constant boiling mixture at 121 degrees centigrade. Okay. So finally they form, after that they boil together. That means constant boiling mixture means boiled together. Okay. They boil together at what? At 121 degrees centigrade, and finally forms 68% nitric acid. Okay, finally forms 68% nitric acid. Right. Okay. Now another physical property is freezing point. Okay, now the other physical property is freezing point. This nitric acid, the pure nitric acid, it freezes. Okay, it freezes at a minus 42 degrees centigrade. If you speak about the freezing point, pure nitric acid, it forms white solid. Okay, it forms white solid on freezing. On freezing to minus 42 degrees centigrade. Minus 42 degrees centigrade. Okay, so that means what is the freezing point of pure nitric acid? The freezing point of pure nitric acid, it is equal to, okay, the freezing point of pure nitric acid, it is equal to minus 42 degrees centigrade. Okay, right. Next, finally, if you see the physiological property, what is the meaning of physiological property? Physiological property explains what happens when nitric acid, it it comes into contact with our skin, or else our body. See this under physiological property, we can see that its nature, like whether it is poisonous or non-poisonous. See, nitric acid is non-poisonous in nature. It is non-poisonous in nature, but what? But corrosive. But corrosive. Non-poisonous, but corrosive. So as it is corrosive, if nitric acid falls on our skin, what happens? Immediately this nitric acid, reacts. As it is corrosive, it reacts with the proteins present on the skin, with the proteins of the skin. The proteins will react with the nitric acid. The proteins which are present in the skin, they react with the nitric acid, and they are converted into xanthoprotic acid. They converted into xanthoprotic acid. Xanthoprotic acid. So the color of this xanthoprotic acid, it is yellow in color. So that is why the portion where this nitric acid falls on the skin, that portion will turn into yellow color. The skin is stained into yellow color, and also it causes very painful blisters. Chinna kurpulaga erpadutadi. It forms a very painful blisters, because at that portion the proteins which are present on the skin, they react with the nitric acid, and they are finally converted into xanthoprotic acid, which is yellow in color. So that is why the portion of the skin where it comes into contact with this nitric acid, it stains yellow. So like this, these are some of the physical properties. Right. Now we will learn about the chemical properties. What are chemical properties? Chemical properties are nothing but the chemical reactions which this nitric acid will show. All those chemical reactions, they come under chemical properties. See, the chemical properties can be broadly classified into three types. One is stability. Stability to temperature or light. Next property, it is acidic nature. It is nothing but acidic nature of dilute nitric acid. It shows acidic nature. Okay, this acidic nature can be studied in under several headings. Okay, and third one is oxidizing property. Okay, oxidizing property. See, mainly acidic nitric acid, it is acidic in nature and oxidizing. It has oxidizing property, and it is unstable. Okay, it is unstable at high temperatures. So first of all, we learn about the stability. If you see the stability, the pure nitric acid, it decomposes even at room temperature. If you see the pure nitric acid, it decomposes even at room temperature, in the sunlight, in the sunlight. So that is why generally, it will decompose when it is kept, when it is kept in a plain glass bottle. Generally, acids are stored in reagent bottles. Acids are stored in reagent bottles which are made up of plain glass. Okay, reagent bottles. So, like how other acids are kept in plain glass reagent bottles, nitric acid cannot be kept, because when this pure nitric acid, when it is stored under this plain glass reagent bottle, what happens? This nitric acid, it will turn to, okay, so in plain glass reagent bottle, so this nitric acid, it will turn to yellowish brown in color. Why it is turned to yellowish brown in color? When kept, even if you put pure nitric acid also, it will turn to yellowish brown color, because generally pure nitric acid is colorless. But if you store that pure nitric acid in a plain glass reagent bottle, it will turn to yellowish color, yellowish brown, because this plain glass, as it is plain glass, it will allow the sunlight to enter into it. So when sunlight enters into the bottle containing pure nitric acid, this pure nitric acid, as it decomposes even at room temperature in the presence of sunlight. So what happens? This nitric acid, it will decompose. It will decompose and produces, some of the nitric acid will decompose and produces nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, nitrogen dioxide gas. As this gas is produced, what happens? This gas will dissolve in the other amount of nitric acid. So only little amount of nitric acid will decompose, and as a result of decomposition under sunlight, what happens? This nitrogen dioxide gas is formed. So this nitrogen dioxide gas, okay, due to dissolution of this nitrogen dioxide gas, NO2 gas, which is formed due to decomposition of some amount of nitric acid, what happens? So this nitric acid will dissolve in the remaining nitric acid. Okay, so this nitrogen dioxide will dissolve in it will dissolve in remaining nitric acid, and finally the remaining nitric acid will appear to be yellowish brown in color. Okay, so this is because the unstable nature of nitric acid in the presence of sunlight. Okay, so this nitric acid is unstable. It will break down, or else it will decompose and produces nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so some amount of nitric acid, as it is decomposing and producing NO2, so this NO2 will dissolve in the remaining nitric acid present in that bottle, and finally it will appear to be yellowish brown color. So in order to prevent this one, in order to prevent the coloring, okay, to prevent the coloring of this one, so hence to prevent this, what happens, the pure nitric acid, the pure HNO3 is stored, it is stored in brown colored bottles, brown colored, dark brown, okay, it is stored in dark brown colored glass bottles, okay, glass bottles. When it is stored in dark brown colored glass bottles, what happens, this dark brown colored glass bottle does not allow the light to enter into it. Okay, does not allow the light to enter into it. So when light does not enter into this bottle which is having pure nitric acid, that nitric acid can be safe. Okay, it cannot decompose. Okay, it retains its color. Okay, so it does not convert into impure nitric acid. So it remains pure form. So that is why that is the thing we have to learn about the stability, under the stability. Okay, so this is nitric acid is stability. It is unstable in sunlight. And if you speak about the stable temperature, so when nitric acid is heated, then also it decomposes. Okay. If you speak about the temperature, the stability in terms of temperature, if nitric acid is heated, then also it decomposes, it breaks down. Okay, even with the temperature, when nitric acid is heated, then also it will break down and forms NO2 gas, water and oxygen. Okay, it forms NO2 gas, water and oxygen. Okay, it forms NO2 gas, water and oxygen, right, when heated. And also in the presence of sunlight also, this nitric acid will decompose, even in the presence of sunlight also. So this will decompose and forms a, okay, and here it forms this one. Okay, the same reaction will take place. So this, what is the color of this nitrogen dioxide gas? The color of the nitrogen dioxide gas is, it is reddish brown. It is a reddish brown colored gas. Already we have learnt this one in our practical chemistry. Okay, ICSE part 1. It is reddish brown in color. Reddish brown in color. Right. Next chemical property is acidic nature. Okay. Acidic nature. we will learn about the acidic nature and oxidizing nature in the next video. Okay, no. Right.